Okay everyone, pretend I have a super pointy hat on that's pointing to the side, and pretend that this green is actually on my face, and pretend that I'm in an all black beautiful flowy dress. That's what I want in your head as I'm talking right now, okay? Because we're gonna be designing for Miss Elphaba, the Wicked Witch of the West today. Yay! This is part 2 of a series I'm doing for the Wicked premiere, so if you have not seen part 1, that's where I did Glinda, so go watch it if you haven't, please. And then I'm also gonna be doing a part 3, which will be for like a guest, how I would style a guest going to the premiere. So let's just get to drawing. For this design, I definitely strayed a lot from this initial sketch, but I'm not mad about it at all. I think it's super important to let art take a life of its own and let it tell you what it wants to be. And that's what I did for this look. So if you liked my sketch, sorry. If you didn't like it, that's great. And I hope you like how it comes out. Here is Miss Cynthia, her model. I could not take the eyebrows off, but I think that they look pretty similar. So what I need to do is go ahead and like shape her pose, because it's gonna be easier for me to model the pants if she's already in the pose she's supposed to be. She's walking on a tightrope, okay? She's defying gravity. So starting off with her top in the same way we did last time. Because we have so many layers going on, I want this part to be pretty thin. We're kind of creating like a little funnel-y shape, so it needs to be just big enough. So I guess we could go like that thin, maybe, just for now. Okay, so there's our 5 little shapey shapes. So the next thing I want to do is just get the pants into place, so I kind of understand what I'm rocking with here. Insert an edge loop right in the middle here, and then we can extrude each of these faces separately. Okay, so I've been thinking about my design and I'm going to change it just a little bit. My first thing that I want to do is I want to add the brim shape of her hat to the bottom of this top. But I want that brim shape to be like, does that make sense? If it doesn't, you'll see. Second thing, I think I'm gonna go with a skirt moment. But we'll see. We'll see which looks better, the pants or the skirts. I'm gonna look up on my phone what the hat looks like. We're back. While I was updating, I figured out what I want to do. One shoulder strap up around the back. Oops. Covering up this, down the middle, pleated skirt. Look how cute. I hope you guys can get the vision. I hope you can see the vision. We have this like really just geometric kind of wrap. Look how beautiful this edge is here. Don't look at the skirt. I haven't worked on the skirt yet, but then we have this beautiful arch here that kind of follows the arch of the brim. I think it looks amazing. So I really like the shape, and I'm gonna kind of exaggerate this little tilt just a little bit more. Okay, here's what I have going on. I really like it. I think it looks really good. The actual designer for Wicked said that Elphaba's looks were inspired by mushrooms a lot, and I feel like this is giving mushroom in the best way. I think it looks great. But Cynthia, she's always got a really cool hat on, and I feel like this is what this look needs. So I think I'm just gonna copy this little mushroom hat shape that I have. I'm gonna experiment with the length of the dress, as well as add her a little nose ring. So for colors, I know we've seen a lot of black, but I'm really feeling a lot of black. So let me see how it looks, and I'll be. Look how beautiful. Again, she's in her Barbie box on the pink carpet. She's posing for the camera. I love the 50s vibe that we got. I think she looks stunning. Okay, thank you so much for staying all the way to the very end of the video. If you liked this video or any of my other videos and you want to find a way to support, please do so. But you just being here and giving me your time means the world to me. And I thank you so much. I love y'all so much. And I will see you in part 3.